Hey everybody, I'm up in my attic. I got some standing water in one of my AC unit pans. It's not set up to drain, it's set up instead to utilize this float switch to kick off the unit in the cases where there's a malfunction. There's some standing water inside of the pan. Unfortunately, it also is evident up here as well as downstairs in my daughter's room that the pan is leaking as well. Looks as if this puncture that was made in the pan in order to attach the float switch, which has a rubber gasket on it, may be failing. Because of this, the float switch isn't being kicked off. You want to use a float switch that does not require puncturing the pan if you're going to, particularly below the level of where the switch will kick off. So we got to get a guy out here